Former Hollyoaks star Sarah Jayne Dunn braved the cold in a mini dress last night with husband Jonathan Smith. The soap siren proved she was a real northerner by ditching her coat for a party in Manchester. 7. Sarah Jayne Dunn looked incredible as she headed out in a hot pink dress for a night out with her husband Jonathan SmithCredit, splash. 7. The 40-year-old showed off her amazing figure in the tight pink dressCredit, splash. Sarah, 40, looked amazing in a short dress which exposed her stomach and showed off her toned figure. The star rocked wavy hair and completed the look with strappy heels and a pale pink handbag. She arrived at the Locklist launch party at Three Little Words with Jonathan, who she wed in 2018, and the loved-up couple were spotted holding hands. Her night out came days after she made subscriptions to her OnlyFans account free of charge after a number of her revealing snaps were leaked online. Sarah's determination to stick to the saucy website resulted in her being axed from her £120K a year role on Channel 4 soap Hollyoaks after playing Mandy Richardson on and off since 1996. But during Friday's episode it was finally revealed that Mandy was leaving the village for good, with an off-screen exit. Viewers saw Cindy Cunningham, Stephanie Waring, and Zara Morgan, Kelly Greenwood, tell Mandy's daughter Ella, Erin Palmer, that her mom had moved to America to start a new job. Fans were far from impressed with the underwhelming exit for Mandy. One wrote, "That was a exit for Mandy. At Sarah Jayne Dunn deserved better." Another said, "Did Hollyoaks really give Mandy's exit by some lame letter after 25 years? Sorry, but Mandy would never leave Ella behind like that ever. Exit and disgusting. I'm no longer watching it." And a third raged, "The way they've written out Mandy is stupidly laughable. This show really doesn't do itself justice a lot of the time." After refusing to quit OnlyFans despite the threat of losing her six-figure salaried job on the Channel 4 soap, Sarah left the show in a dispute. She clashed with bosses over her decision to join the controversial 18+ network, where she claimed she was taking back control after previously posing for Lads Mags earlier in her career. Admitting some fans would find it shocking, she explained, "I'm simply moving my sexier, racier images to another platform. This is a decision I've thought long and hard about, not one I've taken lightly or on a whim. It's about taking back control, about empowerment and confidence and having full power over my choices. I love doing photo shoots, always have, always will. It's how I got into the acting industry. At the tender age of 12 I decided I wanted to be a model and enrolled on a modeling course, joined an agency and had my first professional shoot and I was hooked. I got my first TV audition and the rest is history. I've been lucky enough to travel to some pretty amazing places for photo shoots since being 17, that being said I've never felt in control of the content or of the finances." 7. Sarah looked incredible in the pink outfit credit, splash. 7. Sarah was all smiles as she posed for snaps with her husband. 7. The soap beauty looked amazing in a pink dress credit. Instagram /Sarah Jayne Dunn. 7. Smitten Sarah posed for a selfie with Jonathan SmithCredit. Instagram /Sarah Jayne Dunn. 7. Sarah was sacked from the soap role after refusing to quit OnlyFans.